Hello! In this video, we will be focusing on how DevAssure's Invisible QA agent can be used within the VS Code platform. In the VS Code IDE, you will be able to find the DevAssure extension. This will help execute end-to-end UI tests from natural language instructions and CSV files. One of the best parts of using the agent is that the configuration is simple and requires less than 2 minutes. You basically answer a set of questions to set the context for the application being tested. Click on the DevAssure icon and initialize the agent. Enter the application URL, set the app context, and add personas. Once the initialization is done, you can see that the corresponding YAML files are created, and these files can be edited at any time. You can also add custom tools or libraries or NPM modules and test data to be used across the tests. Tests can be added as YAML files or can be uploaded as CSV files as well. The agent goes through the context set and starts to execute the test. In this case, it's executing in a headless mode, and that's why you don't see the browser opening. At every test step, the agent analyzes and thinks and starts to execute the test step. If at any point of time the UI has changed or the test steps are unclear, the agent understands its goal and tries to proceed with the execution. It does not hallucinate and always thinks like a QA engineer. The agent does not generate scripts, does not use locators, and there is no need for page object models. This means that there is zero maintenance required. This solves one of the biggest problems with test automation. Because it's completely autonomous, the agent is able to adapt to UI changes as well.